Hey, have you ever wondered why Python is so popular among programmers worldwide? It's not just a matter of happenstance. Python's popularity stems from its wide-ranging applications and its ease of use. From web development to data science, artificial intelligence, and beyond, Python has proven itself to be a versatile tool in the hands of those who wield it. In the world of web development, Python's robust frameworks, like Django and Flask, have made it a go-to language for many developers. Meanwhile, in the realm of data science and artificial intelligence, libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and TensorFlow have made Python a powerhouse. But it's not just about what Python can do. It's also about how it does it. Python's syntax is clean, straightforward, and reads like English, which makes it accessible and appealing to beginners while still being powerful enough for experts. Python's simplicity and versatility are key reasons for its popularity. But there's more to Python than just that. How many programming languages do you know that allow you to print "Hello World" with just one line of code? Not many, right? But with Python, you can do just that. It's as simple as typing print "Hello World" tag. And voila, you've written your first Python program. This is the beauty of Python. Its syntax is designed to be easy to read and write. Every element of the language, from its use of indentation to its lack of semicolons, is geared towards simplicity. It's like writing English, but with a twist. Python strips away the complexity often associated with programming. It's an excellent choice for beginners because it allows them to focus on learning the logic of coding instead of getting bogged down in the syntax. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. Python is a powerful language used by professionals across various industries. As you can see, Python's simplicity makes it easy for anyone to start coding. But Python isn't just for beginners. Python isn't just simple. It's also incredibly versatile. It can handle everything from web development to data analysis with ease. Just think about it. Web developers around the globe use Python and its frameworks, such as Django, to design and maintain dynamic websites. And it doesn't stop there. Python is also a powerhouse in the world of data science. With libraries like Pandas, data scientists can manipulate and analyze large data sets, turning raw data into valuable insights. Python's versatility even extends to the forefront of technological innovation, artificial intelligence. Libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch help AI engineers build and train complex neural networks, pushing the boundaries of what machines can learn and do. From web development to data science, from artificial intelligence to automation, Python is everywhere. Its simplicity and versatility have made it a go-to language for developers in various fields. Python's versatility makes it a powerful tool for a wide range of applications. But why is Python important? So why is Python important? Why should you consider learning Python? Let's delve into that. One of the key reasons is its widespread use across various industries. From web development to data analysis, Python is the go-to language for many professionals. It's like the Swiss Army knife of coding. It has a tool for every job. Next, let's talk about job market demand. Python developers are in high demand, and this trend doesn't show signs of slowing down anytime soon. Companies big and small are constantly on the hunt for Python-savvy individuals to join their teams. Lastly, Python plays an instrumental role in emerging fields like artificial intelligence and machine learning. It's the preferred language for developing complex algorithms that power these cutting-edge technologies. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, Python offers something for everyone. Its simplicity, versatility, and importance make it a must-learn language for any aspiring programmer.